Introduction and writing of zero. Zero is written as 4 passengers are waiting for a bus. 4 passengers went in the bus. That means 0 passengers remain. The white dish has 5 laddus. The pink dish has no laddus. It means there are 0 laddus. Let's try it out. Since there are many marbles inside this can, it makes a rattling sound. Now, there is no sound because all the pebbles are out. There are 0 pebbles in the can. 0 pebbles means no pebbles. 0 means nothing. Let us count the butterflies.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Has Yash counted correctly? No, he has not. Now, Rama will try.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Has Rama counted correctly? No, she has not. Magician Kingfisher came to their help. He told the butterflies to stay in a line. Is the counting easy now? How many butterflies are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 butterflies. What is easier, counting children while they are playing or while they are standing in a row? Discuss and find out. Join the picture with the correct number. Do as Yash has done for you. In your books, write your name. Count the number of letters in your name and the numbers of letters in each of your friends' names. Compare the number of letters in different names. Which name has the maximum letters? Also, write down all the 5-lettered names.